Welcome to another book talk with Miss T. Rex. Hi, it's November and it's Picture Book Month. I just want to share some brand new books with all of you. The first one is William B. Stanley's Fire Engine. Stanley has a new book and a new job. Phew! Stanley must be exhausted by now. The second one is We Love You, Mr. Panda. And he's here wearing his new shirt. Free hugs. Mr. Panda is giving out hugs, not donuts this time around. In this latest book, Mr. Panda is looking for hugs or love or both. And the third brand new book, We Will Rock Our Classmates. Penelope is back and ready to share her talent in the school talent show. I'm so excited these books have arrived, so reserve them, pick them up from curbside, and I will see you all again soon. Goodbye!